my peeps? Back again with our second video on the channel. I'm currently working on it right here. Just editing a little bit because it was a little bit butchered. The first couple, or actually the first day when we worked on it, you know, it was a little tough. We had a lot of things to do, and frankly I forgot to record, so that's my fault on that. Hopefully on the next videos I can make them less botchy and a little bit more, you know, continuous. But this is my friend's Camaro 2SS. It's a 2016 8-speed automatic. He got the Hooker Blackheart series, I believe. Not ceramic coated or anything like that. He got the single tip, but it sounds good, man. I mean, it's pretty loud, and you know, it turns heads all the time. But go ahead and like this video, keep watching, and we'll talk about more about some problems we got into later on with the install. This Camaro SS is about to get piped up, so here we are. We're ready to install all the shit. It's gonna be nice. Of course, you got my little girl right there, a 335i. Like I said, didn't get the actual installation process of, you know, the headers and the rest of the exhaust, but I did catch the first startup, so that's about it. Alright guys, so it's day 3 of the Camaro project. We had to come back and we're going to make some modifications to steering shaft. It was hitting the headers and we didn't want to bend the headers, so you know, safety first. Yeah, right. But we got my homie Gabe in the house here helping us out. And we got Pony over here, the owner of the 2SS, doing jack shit. But stay tuned and you'll see what we're working on. Going, and we're gonna show you some header action.
Think you should put that shit first? Move it up. Will that make a difference if you don't put that on?
Yeah, it will leak.
Pressure or?
No, just move. It's not like air coming out of the.
Fuck, Mike. Everybody get please.
Alright, so right now we're working on, you know, mocking up the header, not tightening it up, just, you know, putting the bolts in loosely so we can get them aligned, and then we'll tighten it up. Then a little bit we'll show you guys how we modified the steering shaft and made it one piece so that you know, the bolts weren't hitting the header anymore. The headers were like about $2,000, so we didn't want to put any dents in them. So, race car. Check that out. Looks pretty nice so far. So, some American bald eagles right there. Yeehaw. Alright, so the goal was to make a one-piece steering shaft. We got that done. Welded it together, painted it up, it looks stock. The shaft does not hit the header anymore, so we don't have to, you know, ding the header and, you know, have the warranty voided. So we're good on that. Next, we're just gonna put on all the hoses and button up the top here, and then we'll go under and weld the headers and be closer to being done. Sick. So that was it. Like I said, we faced a little bit of problems with fitment issues, but luckily, you know, I have a welder and we got it fixed, whatnot. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of, you know, thinking and finding solutions to some problems that, you know, may be hard to some people, but we always try to find the best thing we can do. I got it done in 2 to 3 days at the most. Did it in the garage on jack stands, so you don't need a lift to install a full set of headers and exhaust on a car. You just, like I said, you gotta think about it and find different solutions. But stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna, like I said, I have a lot of film just sitting on my computer, so I'm gonna try to create some videos as we go and just post them up. Maybe 2 videos a week until we get back on track, and then we'll start going down to one video a week. But let me know if you're interested in some vlogs, and definitely we'll try to see if we can make it out to some events in the next couple of weeks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.